Carnival is the heartbeat of New Orleans and a huge boost to our economy. But after Katrina, people wondered if it could go on. But crews were determined to meet the challenges ahead of them. WDSU anchor Randy Russo explains why Mardi Gras means so much more today.
It was the moment that showed the world New Orleans was coming back.
It is our stronghold, so it means everything to us.
Mardi Gras.
Oh, after Katrina, Carnival could not have been more important.
Katrina hit almost 6 months to the day of Mardi Gras 2006. And for those in Carnival culture, that was at the forefront of their fears.
A few days after Katrina, I think the first text message I ever sent was to Barry Kern, and it said, "Is the shoe float okay?" But that was my first worry. My house flooded, but my shoe float was okay.
Other crews weren't so lucky. Dens were inundated with water, riders scattered across the country, and no visitors to welcome. Still, crews knew that the show must go on.
Yeah, it was very, very important that Carnival not only happen, but that it have its spirit on display proudly and joyfully.
And it did.
So yes, that night was the first time a lot of us felt normal again. And so yeah, Mardi Gras is a big part of our lives. It made us snap back.
We did it for ourselves. We didn't have the visitorship because people still thought we had water. I mean, there was months after Katrina that people still thought there were water in the streets here.
After Katrina, we actually had, we rolled that Thursday night. That was when we first moved to Thursday night. They pushed all the parades together. We didn't have a lot of bands because there were no schools. And we ended the parade with an empty float that was named for Mnemosyne, the goddess of memory.
That float, donning the words, "We celebrate life, we mourn the past, we shall never forget." An empty float, remembering those lives lost in the storm, but the future still ahead.
We don't forget what's happened, but we won't stop being who we are, because this is what we do to celebrate our lives and the lives of everyone we lost.
In the years to follow, Carnival would grow.
It's twice as big as it was pre-Katrina. Mardi Gras doubled.
Not just with riders, but marching crews, dance groups, even new walking parades.
For a lot of our community, that Mardi Gras brought us back to life.
More people wanting to be a part of that life, that event, which still showcases New Orleans' resilience, unity, and faithfulness to culture and community. Randy Russo, WDSU News.